Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The fuel filter is located on the driver's side at the back of the vehicle. In order to replace the fuel filter, you must lift the back of your vehicle. This will ensure you can slide easily under your car to access the filter. Place the jack in the middle of your vehicle and lower it onto the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the video, safely lifting your vehicle before carrying out this step. You will now be able to see the fuel filter. Using a socket wrench and a 6mm socket, unscrew the clamping clip on both of the inlet and outlet fuel hoses.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the holding screws from the hooping that keeps the filter in place. This will make it possible to take it out, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. You can now handle the filter and remove the hoses with a flathead screwdriver. Using a container, collect the fuel that will come out of the filter. We suggest you watch another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Take out the filter. Take the new filter and identify the correct direction for assembly. Pay attention to the direction of the arrows. They should point towards the front of the vehicle. Place the filter in its holding. Now, reconnect the two hoses. Once correctly inserted, put the holding screw back on the filter hooping and screw it back in. Screw the two clamping clips back on the hoses. You can now put the vehicle back on the ground. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.